Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-23, the die block for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to be building part 6-23, the die block for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Go File, New, MMGS. Okay, let's go to right plane, sketch. Let's put a rectangle in. That'll do. Dimension's going to be 12 by 12, so 12 millimeters there, and 12 and 12. Then it's going to be a circle in the middle. It's going to be dimension of 6, and that's going to be from this outer edge to that center point will be 6. And the center point to this edge will be 6. There we go. Move that one down. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed it. There we go. Just make it a little bit neater. I don't want to worry about making this neat for now. While I do the technical drawings, we'll be doing a series doing technical drawings on this. I'll make that neater for sure. That's all there is for that. And then we extrude. Thank you. I'm going to do mid-plane on this, and it's going to be width of 6.5. 6.5. And that's brass, that stays the same one. And that one is done. Let's do rent, there we go. Simple part. Now, this piece, I cannot find where it goes on the model. So, when I go further in, I'll probably find it. I've had that before where they've got show it, or they got the number wrong, and I found it looking through, so we'll get there when we get there. But right now, that's that piece. That is part 6-23, the die block for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.